You'd be surprised at how much you can learn by simply putting things in people's hands. It's the most efficient and effective way of discovering things about your product and what is working and what's not.
My name is I'm head of embedded development at Lemberg solution. Today I am at MotionLab. Together with Pilotfish, we are organizing the series of workshops on the topic product development that works.
I'm Maya. I'm Senior Industrial Designer at Pilotfish Berlin.
My name is Maya Schaller, and I'm the Head of Operation for Pilotfish Berlin.
I'm Olga Dusak, and I lead the German office of Lemberg Solutions.
I'm Lou. I work as CTO at Lemberg Solutions.
So we need to build an MVP for the MotionLab's receptionist.
My topics were POC and MVP development.
So the main activity I had people do in the workshop was to explore and test a few different versions of an early concept.
So we participate in this workshop series to share our experience how to do the hardware product development.
POC is a prototype, usually designed and built from the off-the-shelf components, and its main purpose is to validate the one core technical idea of your product.
There are more requests from German companies for AI projects. Often these projects stop on the phase of POC, and it takes really a lot of time to move it on another stage. There is more need for really solution architects, for people who have industry knowledge.
So exactly like how problematic is it if I put it a little bit to the left or to the right?
So when a product is in trouble, what I start doing is looking at the different teams that are involved in the project and go around and try to understand what are the challenges within those teams. How can we put the project in balance again? Is there a requirement that can be released on one side to enable what the product needs to do?
You'd be surprised at how much you can learn by simply putting things in people's hands. It's the most efficient and effective way of discovering things about your product and what is working and what's not.